switching my flow. I'm getting money, but I want more. Yeah, yeah. Drip too hard when I come through. Black beats cool when I'm sunroof. How you a boss, you don't own shit.
Hey guys, it's Viva La Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. Why am I always doing the robot? I play too much. Okay guys, so as you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another look using the Bloodlust palette. I'm trying to put out as many looks as I can, but having 3 children is kind of hard, so just bear with me guys. So today's look is going to be fairly easy. It's a halo eye. So I did use more of that beautiful Bleeding Heart red shade because I felt like the color popped the most out of the palette. So yes guys, if you are interested in seeing how I created this halo eye using the new Jeffree Cosmetics Bloodlust palette, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna hop right into this tutorial. I'm gonna do my brows really quick because my brows don't really show with this hair, so I didn't really focus on the brows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows as I usually would. Then I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids using Jeffree Cosmetics concealer in the shade C18. I'm just using this as a base for my shadows. When I use his products, I like to try to use all of his products as much as I can. So I'm just using his concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm tapping that in. As you guys can see, this takes a while to actually tap in that concealer, making sure that it's flat and it's not streaky. So we just kind of make sure it's nice and lit. So yeah, I'm gonna take the palette and we are gonna go in with Bleeding Heart. It's that cute red shade. When you first get the palette, the shade looks kind of shimmery, but it's not a shimmer shade. I don't know, it's like a... Okay guys, stop for a second. Now that I got your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and become a part of the notification gang, and you will never miss one of my videos. Back to the program. So yeah, this shade is not really a shimmer shade. It's like in between shimmer and matte. But I'm going to place this shade on my lid, basically where my crease is, and I'm going to drag it all the way to the front. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Royal Pain, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of the red shade so that it looks nicely faded together and it doesn't look like too harsh. I think that's like one of the most important steps. So then we are going to go in with the shade Blood Queen, and this is like my favorite shade out the palette. So I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to place it on my inner corner, and I'm also going to place it on my outer corner because this is like the main shade, and again, this is a halo eye, so you just want to focus that purple on the inner corner and the outer corner. And we are also going to do it like a little bit above. We are going to skip the middle because that's where we are going to be cutting the crease, applying our concealer so that we have a blank space there to apply another shimmer shade. So I'm just going to continue to do that, blending that Bleeding Queen into the red shade so that it doesn't look like too much of a harsh transition. It has to flow well together. So I'm going to take the Jeffree concealer and I'm going to use this to do my halo cut. This is not a full cut crease. We only are going to cut down in the middle of our lid. So you want to make sure you do go above where your crease is so that it's not creasing, because it's still like a cut crease, but it's just in the middle. So we are going to do that. And don't worry about the lines being perfect because we are going to fade some of that Bleeding Queen purple shade into the concealer so it does not look like too perfect. So I'm taking the shade Take the Crown, which is a shimmer purple shade. I was going to use Wet Jewel, but I used that one before. I want to switch it up so you guys have different type of looks for reference for this palette. So I'm just going to pat that Take the Crown shade on my lid, and then I'm going to go in with the Blood Queen purple shade, and I'm going to fade that darker purple into that light shimmer purple. Again, we don't want this to be like a perfect line. It has to look faded into each other, and that's where the dark purple comes in, fading out the light purple. I actually love the way this look came out, guys. Sometimes halo eyes can be kind of hard to match. Like sometimes the eye could be wrong, but we did good here. So I'm using the Milk Hydro Primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Then we're going to go in with Juvia's foundation, and I am mixing 2 shades because it's hard to get my shade. And this, what shade is this? I'll put it in the description, guys, because can't even find the name of it. So we're using the Jeffree Star concealer, and I'm patting that into my skin. I love the way Jeffree's concealer goes with this foundation. So freaking amazing. Oh, and the names of the foundation is Punta, Canaand, and Bogota. So those are the 2 shades. So I'm just taking this I can't talk right now. I'm taking the Huda Beauty brush, and I'm using that to blend out. Then I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Place foundation stick, and this is in the shade Beijing. Of course, it's gonna be in the description just in case I'm pronouncing it wrong. And I'm using this to contour my face, my lips, my nose, my chin. We are getting snatched. You guys, I play too much. So I'm just gonna fade out that, blend that in, that contour. You guys, this combo, I'm living for it. I'm gonna start using this like all the time because these products go so well together. Sometimes products don't mix well with each other, but these are flawless together. So then I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics setting powder in the shade Banana. We love this powder. It smells amazing. I love how it applies. So I just pat it on my skin. I don't really bake. I just pat it in and then sweep it away. Bada bing, bada bung. So then we're gonna go in with Tarte's setting spray. I love Tarte setting spray. I always go to them. And I like to pat the setting spray on my face. And then I'm going in with this Kaja Beauty. It's like a blush stamp. I love this blush stamp. I have several of them because I run out of them really fast. It's super sheer. I love it. So we're using the highlighter Caramel Kiss. It's like a really, really gold highlight. Definitely recommend for darker shades, like darker skin. Or you could use it as an eyeshadow. It's up to you. As you guys can see, I bathed in it. So we are going to go in with this liquid lipstick. I'm going to use it as a liquid, like a liner. And this is Dominatrix from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. The perfect color to line your lips with. You guys, when I line my lips, I use like random stuff, like eye pencils and stuff. So then I'm going to use this shade, which is Mannequin. And I'm going to put that shade in the middle. And that's how I get this cute ombre lip. This is definitely my go-to lip. And I'm using the gloss. I can't really see because the words are so small. I'll put it in the description, and that completes the look, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this look. And also, I would love to know some color suggestions. I'll be happy. So just leave your color suggestions in the comments, and I'll be happy to create some looks using the colors that you guys choose. So till next time, guys, have a blessed day. Bye.